Okay, number 37. Solve the system, but I use a matrix. In this case, it's a 37. I write the matrix associated with that. And I apply the following row operation: minus R1 plus R2 stored in R2. Okay, minus R1 plus R2 equals something. R1 is 118. R2 is 1, -1, 4. Okay, -1 plus 1 is 0. -1 and -1 is -2. And -8 plus 4 is -4. Okay, so the new matrix is row 1 stays the same. Row 2 now is 0, -2, -4. Okay, now now the second row is expressed like equation is minus 2y equal -4 divided by -2. Both sides y is equal to. And for example, taking the first equation, que is x plus y is 2 equal 8. Now x is equal 8 minus 2 is 6. Now the solution order pair is 6,2. Super. Okay, now 39. I write the matrix associated with the system. For example, I propose you, let's do the following row operation. First of all, row 1 divided by 2. And let's store this information in the new row 2. So the matrix is 1, -2, -1 divided by 2, the entire row 1, 3, 2, and 3. Okay. Now the second is you multiply by -3 R1 plus R2 and store this information in new row 2. Why -3? Because it's the opposite value of this. The -3, -3, -3. Multiply by the element in the row 1 plus the element in the row 2. And store this information in the new row 2. The row 1 is 1 minus 2, -1. Row 2 is 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, and 3. -3 plus 3, 0. 6, positive 6. -3 and -2 is positive 6. Plus 2 is 8. -3 and -1 is 3. Positive 3 plus 3 is 6. The new matrix is then 1, -2, -1, 0, 8, and 6. Okay, so looking the last equation. The last equation is ay equals 6 divided by a. Both side is reduced in lowest term as 3/4. This is y. Now, using for example, this first equation here, y now, it is x minus 2y equal -1. The substitution is x is equal x minus 2 times 3/4 equal -1. X minus, simplify here, divided by 2 is 3/2 equal -1. Then x is equal -1 plus 3/2. Guess 1/2. Now the solution set then is the order pair half, comma 3/4. Okay, 41. Again, solve the system using matrix. I copy the matrix associated with the system. I copy the first row operation. In this case, -2 multiplied by the element in the row 1 plus the element in the row 2. In row 1 we have 1, 2 and 4. In row 2 we have 2, 4 and 8. In this case, -2 plus 2 is 0, -4 plus 4 is 0, and -8, because -2 times 4 is 8, plus a is 0. Okay, now the matrix, the answer in the second, in the last row, 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0. Elimination process, detecting the second equation is dependent equation of the first. That means that we have infinity many solutions. To find the solution set, you take, for example, the equation number 1 is x plus 2y equal 4. Either equation definitely is the same thing. And so for y, 2y is equal 4 minus x divided by 2, both sides. Then y is equal 4 minus x over 2. The solution set is any point on the plane such that satisfy this linear equation. Y is equal 4 minus x over 2, and x is all real number. Linear equation. Okay, 43, again matrices. Okay, in this case I copy the matrix associated with the system. I propose the following transformation. I switching row 1 and row 2. The reason is clear, because I need one pivot. There's 1 here, 1. This one, -1, 1/2, and 2, 3, and 6. Okay? Now, after that, we are doing the following row operation. -2. Remember, this number always is the opposite. This is the same number with the opposite sign of this. This is -2, R1 plus R2 stored in R2. Is -2, -2, -2. Okay, equal, equal, and equal. Row 1 is 1, -1/2. And row 2 is 2, 3, and 6. Okay, the answer then is -2 plus 2, 0. -2 plus 5 plus 3, 5. And half is -1 is 5 again. So the matrix associated is 1, -1, 1/2, 0, 5, 5. And now the equation, the last equation is 5y equal 5. Therefore, y is equal 1. And this first equation is x minus y equal 1/2. X minus 1 equal 1/2. X is equal 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. And then the solution is 3/2, 1. Okay, 45. 45, apply this row operation. -5 multiplied by the number in the row 1 plus the number in the row 2. In the row 1 we have 3, -5 and 3. In R2 we have 15, 5 and 21, no? 21. Okay, so we have 15, -15 plus 15 is 0. This is 25 plus 5 is 30. And this is -15 plus 21 is positive 6. But so far our matrix is 3, -5 stay the same, 3, 0, 30 and 6. Okay, so now the first equation is 30y equal 6 divided by 30 both sides. Y is equal, and reducing lowest term, 1/5. Okay, now substitution in the first equation. The first equation is 3x minus 5y equal 3. 3x minus 5 multiplication 1/5 equal 3. 3x minus 1 equal 3. 3x is equal 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3 both sides. X is equal 4/3, and the solution is divided by 4, 3, 1/5.